Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a WordPress website backup. Protecting your website from unexpected issues like hacks or server failures is crucial, and regular backups are your best defense. We will explore two effective methods: a manual approach and using a dedicated plugin. Understanding these steps will empower you to safeguard your online presence, ensuring peace of mind. Let's dive into the details of securing your valuable WordPress site. For manual backup, first, connect to your website via an FTP client like FileZilla. Download your entire WordPress installation, including all themes, plugins, and uploads to your local computer. This process can take several minutes, depending on your site's size. Next, access PHPMyAdmin through your hosting control panel. Select your WordPress database and export it, typically as a SQL file. Remember to keep these two components, your files and database, together in a secure folder. Using a backup plugin offers a more automated and convenient solution. Popular options include Updraft Plus and Duplicator, both highly rated. After installation, configure the plugin to back up your entire site, encompassing all files in your database. Crucially, set up an automatic schedule, perhaps daily for active sites or weekly for less frequent updates. Also, select a remote storage location, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or Amazon S3, to keep your backups safe off-site. Adhering to best practices is vital for effective backups. Always maintain at least 3 copies of your backup, one on your server, one on your local computer, and one in a remote cloud storage. Regularly test your restoration process to ensure your backups are functional when needed. Keeping your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated also minimizes security vulnerabilities. These steps provide a robust safety net for your valuable online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.